So I got my PR kit today and I am already in love. I love the bright colors. The packaging is beautiful. And for me, packaging is like a lot. It came in with some bright colors. My brush cleaner is a nice blue. And my power blender, it says it's latex free and it's actually a pretty purplish pink. Welcome, 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 my beautiful butterflies. I am back to you today with a review on this lovely, lovely product. It is a beauty gadget by Practk. It is a sister company to Sigma Beauty. I think it's one of their baby companies. And I got sent this product. The video isn't sponsored, but I was sent this to try it out, demo it, see how I liked it. Now, somewhere in this video, like right around now, you are going to see all the brushes I had to clean. So it came yesterday and it was right on time because I was like, didn't want to clean it. And I'm trying to do it with my hand. When I have so many, it's a hassle. And trying to put some of those other ones that I do own that, you know, you just slide on 2 fingers, a lot of work. This one was actually really convenient. I'll say using it was not that hard. The packaging is actually really easy to get into because I hate sometimes getting stuff and then I struggle to like really, really get in it. This was so easy to get in. You literally go in and it comes open. You pop it out and you literally unsnap, and you slide it, don't worry, you slide it through and then it's out. Now this is how it does look, like this, and I'm also going to insert, it comes with 6 suction cups. It also has the adjustable straps so that you can put it on your hand. I like it because you can actually put it in the bottom of your sink, but you can also wear it. So it gives me the convenience of having 2 types of products in one instead of, excuse me about that, instead of me having to buy one to lay out for my big brushes and then having another one when I just want to do 1 or 2 brushes. This product does both. It's really convenient, so if you can't do them in your sink but you live in a very small apartment, you got a small sink in your bathroom, this will fit and it suctions to the side, to the bottom, and things like that. It actually is really easy to also clean afterwards. And I actually was so, because I've been doing makeup now for a couple of years, and the one thing I hate about it is having to clean my brushes because it takes so long. And it can be, trying to buy gadgets and things like that, it can be very, very, very expensive. So today I actually use this product, and I actually use the Zote pink soap to actually clean my brushes. So today I did my brushes with products combined. They would have totaled $10 and some change. So they would have totaled under $11 because this soap in my local Walmart was 93 cents. And this retails for $9.95. And if you do click my link below, they actually have given me a and they offer more products than just this. So I say click the link and check it out and see what's there. But let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you how you actually can use it, at least on your hand. So what you'll do is, excuse me, it has 2 sides. This side here has the bigger bubbles and then the defining side here. And basically this side is for the wash and this one is for the refine. And I use this side for my bigger brushes, my foundation brushes, blush, powder brushes, and things like that. because it actually gets in there, and then when I'm trying to get in that bottom just to get that last little cookout, I use here. And on this side, when you flip it over, I use this for my eyeshadow, contour, small blending brushes, and things like that, because it's smaller, and I wash here, refine here, and I actually use this when I'm rinsing it out as well, just to make sure I got all the soap out. But I like the fact that it does have both sides in one, and when you are putting it on, just to see what your size is, I say put it on first and wrap it, and then you take it, and just to see which latch you need it on, like that. Can't close it like this, but this is how you see what size. So the way you close it up is you take it and you line them up, and you just push it right through there, and it pops in. Same thing with the other side. So for me, I needed it on 2 because I have a medium-sized hand. If you have a very small hand, I would say put it on 1, and for those with larger hands would need 3. And then you just take it and you slide it through the middle of your finger. So you put 2 on each side. And that's it. That is literally the gist of it. It's like one of the easiest things I've ever done. And also when you are trying to take it apart, you just pop it. And when you are laying it inside of your sink, you literally just take it, and the sections on the bottom, you push them down wherever you actually want them to stay, and it stays put. Even with water running on it, it stays put. So when it came to the Zote soap, I actually just cut a block of it off. Instead of wetting the whole thing, I just cut probably like 1/10 of this thing off, about that much, and you'll see in the video. And I just rubbed my brushes on there, used it, and that was that. So enough of me chattering and talking and I want to thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking. And while you're here, if you haven't already subscribed, do so. I left a little link right there. And I've also attached 2 videos. Check them out while you're here. And thank you so much for supporting me. And I'll see you in the next video.